Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OWCP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, but needless to say, chart looks quite a bit of different in the positive light. And these lines here that I talked about from Friday, they look pretty goofy given the price is way down here. And then, I was talking about levels down there, but that just really goes to show how powerful of a day it was. So needless to say, yes, there's definitely some updates here that need to be made. And I'm just going to use these lines. Sure, they still pertain to the chart, but there's really no point in them staying there because I want to keep things from a presentation standpoint. I don't want a million lines everywhere. I want things as clean as possible. So let's first start by talking about some levels of support. The ideal level of support going forward, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above $1.90, that would make things look very, very powerful. But if the price drops below it, I'm not saying that everything's ruined or anything like that. I'm just saying that is the preferable area of support. Next level of support after that, down here at the bottom of this consolidation range right there, and that sits at about $1.68. So $1.90, $1.68, those two nearer term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, it's all about the purple line right here, which I've talked about, I know, in past videos. I realize right now this purple line is way down here, the price is way down there, so it seems irrelevant. But keyword there being 50-period simple moving average, meaning as time goes by, this line is going to continue to move its way upwards. So the very simplistic way to look at this is as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked at all. And as it stands right now, there's a whole lot of separation, but that would make sense because today was a very powerful day. So like I said, if you're looking for a very black and white, a very basic way to measure the health of the bulls, as long as the price is above the purple line, the bulls are in full health. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some potential battlegrounds after this? I got to go to another time frame. We could very well be just in a flat-out blue sky breakout. Let's see. We are going back. There we go. Quite a bit of time. All right, as far as I'm concerned, the chart, let's get this out of here, is in blue sky breakout territory. So it is what it is. I suppose since the price, let me get these lines out of here. To think that I started doing this video, I think back when it was, down around 20 cents. I mean, just crazy move. But, couldn't quite get through $2.10. So that's kind of the miniature area of resistance. But as far as I'm concerned, this thing, as it stands right now, given we don't have much other data, is in blue sky breakout territory. Still 3 days left this week, so it'll be interesting to see how it all unfolds. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.